My job is to sort of assess the technology at a foundational level and see, is there actually an opportunity for this to have a big impact once it's ready?
There's the stereotype of the farmer, the straw between his teeth, resistant to change. Our experience has been anything but. The growers we work with, they understand where the future is, and they're pulling us by the nose. They're the ones that want to see this change, and they're just begging us to get it done faster.
Why we think robotics is important is something that the president of Ag actually turned me onto, and it's about changing the script of farming from yield per acre to nutrition per acre. Can we make that crop be healthier for humans through precision agriculture?
Farmers have always been looking for more efficient ways to growing food, especially when the food system is experiencing immense pressure like ours is today. Agriculture is entering into its fourth revolution, one marked by computer vision, AI, and robots. With each revolution, we've seen great progress, but not without trade-offs. The last major change in agriculture was known as the Green Revolution. It gave a crucial boost in crop productivity when much of the developing world was on the brink of famine. It introduced high-yield crop breeds that required large amounts of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Today, these methods still help feed the world, but at the cost of many environmental imbalances. But the good news is, this fourth agricultural revolution actually has the potential to restore some of that balance.
Increasingly, folks are turning towards, cover cropping again and intercropping and other regenerative agriculture techniques that allow us to keep the soil healthy.
Techniques like intercropping place multiple different crops in a single field, which creates a healthier ecosystem and balance between resources.
The challenges there have been that it's difficult to do that at the same sort of scale that we can do monocropping, which is how we feed the world.
But because Verdant's robot has the ability to farm each plant individually, it could potentially enable these types of regenerative ag techniques at commercial scales.
Which ironically is kind of returning to how we farmed 100 years ago, unlocking knowledge that a lot of older growers had and bringing it back through technology.
I deeply feel the responsibility to make the world a better place and to be aware of the ecological impacts, the societal impacts of our robots, kind of everything full stop. I think we're just at the very beginning. We haven't even begun to see the effects of this digital revolution in agriculture.